Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to hide Google Meet in your Gmail sidebar. In May 2020, Google announced a free version of Google Meet, a video communication service. Google Meet is accessible directly within Gmail. So if I log into my Gmail account, you will see these Google Meet options in the bottom left corner. Now, if you don't use Google Meet often, this can be pretty annoying. So let me show you how to hide it. So click on the gear icon in the top right corner and choose See All Settings. In the Settings section, go to Chat and Meet. And in the Meet section, click on Hide Meet section in the main menu. And finally, click Save Changes. It should automatically redirect you to the main inbox. And as you can see, the Meet section is now hidden. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.